So I have a domain from Namecheap, and how to connect it to Hostinger I'm going to show you in this video. So I have this temporary domain, but I want to connect the domain from Namecheap. So I'm going to click on domain here. I'm going to go here to this domain. I'll copy this domain right over here from here, and then I'll paste this domain here. And now here is gonna load and it's gonna say, okay, register at another provider. It's quite confusing for me at first, but then I noticed this part, register at another. So I'm just gonna click on here and then I'm gonna click on next. Now here, this is what I'm gonna see on the H panel, domain not connected. So I'm gonna click on connect here. Please click on connect. Let's start, and then here, what you need to do here is to go to domain, to go to custom here. Make sure you click on here and name server in custom. Sorry, I click on here on custom DNS, please, and then here enter, copy this one and paste it here. Now you copy this one and this one from here. Okay, you have this one, DNS2, DNS1, DNS2, and paste those right over here. I already did it, so I can save you some time. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this short video helpful. Subscribe for more, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.